Okay, quick reminder of how to import the shapefile. It's not necessarily fully configured for the Red Ant system. I've created a configuration, and the first thing I'm going to do is just fill in some basic nominal configuration data. Don't worry if this is not accurate or you haven't done your calibration. It's not important at this stage. We can come back and sort it out. So we're just going to fill in some information so we don't have a divide by zero issue. And row width of 4, pitch is 1.5, and I'm going to hit save. And now we're ready to do the import. Obviously, your shapefile needs to be properly grouped and saved somewhere where you can get it. And I'm going to open that. And I'm then going to go and have a look at deposition rate. This is a GEOJSON file. And if I actually scroll down here, it'll show me that there are 4,864 little blocks in here. You can see a hell of a lot of them are naught, and then there's a couple with values. I'm going to import that. You see it comes in quite quickly. We can give it a test farm, a name. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run this orchard optimization tool. And that's going to take all these little zones that are linked together and create them into single blocks. So run the orchard optimization tool. It does take a few seconds up to a minute to run. It may even time out if your internet connection is slow and you just have to wait. There we go. So that was fairly quick. And if we go and have a look at this now, it's taken those 4,000 odd zones and it has brought them down to 379, which is much more manageable in the Red Ant system. And so I can go and save again. I can now have two options. I can either go and clear this orchard boundary and draw a boundary all the way around, or if these zones are nicely positioned so that they do actually touch each other with boundaries like this, I can use the explode function to go and create those orchards. So again, we'll take a few seconds. It's crunching all those zones into boundaries with orchards. And effectively what we've done now is we actually have orchard boundaries. If I go and click on that orchard and go edit, it will actually have created a boundary around that orchard. So we've gone and done what wasn't available in the shapefile on the Red Ant. And we can hit save again, and there you have it, ready to go and spread.